Okay, this one, we're going to use the change of base ratio for the top and the bottom. Two separate ones to simplify it, okay? Now, I know you guys don't see it right away, so it's probably why you wouldn't think about it. But just know that, I mean, it kind of tells you right here, using the change of base rule, okay? We can manipulate using the change of base rule. So we're going to use the common log. Okay, now, normally people like to use a natural log because it's only 2 letters to write. But we're going to use the common log, so let's go in the top. Let's go to top first. Okay, so for the top one, we're going to go log of m divided by log of 5. Okay, these are log base 10s. And then for the bottom, it's log of m divided by log of 15. Is everybody cool? Everybody with me? Yeah. Okay, so now we're dividing. When you divide, that's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal whenever you divide fractions. And so I'm going to write log of m divided by log of 5. That's the top one. Then I'm going to multiply. I'm changing the division to multiplication. And so I have log of 15. And on the bottom I get log of m. Okay, now you guys can see it. You guys see cool stuff we can do? Yeah, we can kill them. Okay, so they're dead. All right, we just did a cross cancel action there. This is 1, this is 1. But now when I multiply straight across, I get log of 15 and log of 5.
Which is the same as log.
Okay, so now check this out. This is still change of base ratio, right? You know how we went from this guy to this guy? Now, could you go backwards? Could you go this guy to this guy? Like, would you be able to know that the m is what's inside the log and the 5 is the base? Okay, so which one is the base here, the 15 or the 5?
15.
The base is in the basement. Boo. Good. I like your guess, though. Thank you for guessing. And so 15 goes inside the log. And so you rewrite it, and then you ask yourself, okay, can I simplify this? Let's use, check this log out. So log means what power, right? What power of 5 is 15? Nothing. Okay, so we're just going to leave it. That's your answer. Just as a reminder, whenever you divide a fraction, you can change it. You can say multiply by the reciprocal of the fraction. Reciprocal means you flip it.
Oh, I didn't see
Remember that? Okay, it's kind of like the first time you guys ever learned that, you had something like 2 over 3 divided by 1/5. And you're like, oh, that's the same as 2 over 3 times 5 over 1, right? They are the same. So, and that's the same even when it's not a fraction. Let's say it's 2 over 3 divided by your mom. Okay, and then so this is actually no your mom. That's kind of confusing to you guys. Let's go. Let's put a 4 right here. Divided by 4. So what you do is you go 2 over 3 multiplied by the reciprocal, which is 1 over 4, because we would put a 1 underneath the 4, right? 4 is the same as 4 over 1. And so you multiply by the reciprocal. We can cross cancel on this one. That's 2, that's 1. And I'm just making this stuff up, guys. You know, if you're like, where did this stuff come from? I just made this stuff up down here to remind you guys that whenever you're dividing a fraction, you multiply by the reciprocal. Okay?